സോ ഹലോ ഗൈസ്, നമ്മളപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു രണ്ട് സ്റ്റോക്ക് സജഷനായിട്ടാണ്. ഇതിനു മുൻപ് നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റോക്ക് മാർക്കറ്റിനെ പറ്റിയുള്ള രണ്ട് വീഡിയോസാണ് നമ്മുടെ ചാനലിൽ ഇട്ടിട്ടുള്ളത്. ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോ വാസ് ഓൺ സം ഇൻ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് സെക്കൻഡ് ഓഫ് ജൂൺ, that is before the Lok Sabha elections. On that video, I had recommended three stocks for the swing trading, which was purely on the basis of BJP government is going to continue. So we recommended a few stocks there. That was three railway stocks. The first one was Railtel, the second one was RVNL, and the third one was RIRFC. These three stocks has been given massive returns after the elections as we were predicting. I think many of you saw that video and got a lot of profits from there. The second video, I think if you want to, you can just go to that links and you can see yourself that these things has worked. Okay. The second video was about some kind of long-term investments. I had suggested two stocks. The first stock was IDFC First Bank, and the second stock was Union Bank of India. These two stocks are from the banking sector, and I had suggested that for the long term. And hopefully, currently these two stocks are trading below the price that I have suggested. I think that's a good thing because these stocks, the IDFC First Bank and Union Bank, these stocks are fundamentally great stock, and this is from a fundamentally strong. I mean, a very good area that is a financial sector. So that's a strong area for a developing country like India. This sector is going to give a good boom in the upcoming years. So these two stocks are fundamentally so great, so that it's great actually. This stock price is trading below. അത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ പ്ലാൻ എടുക്കുന്ന ലോങ് ടേം സ്റ്റോക്കുകൾ നമ്മൾ SIP ആയിട്ടായിരിക്കും കൂടുതൽ ആൾക്കാർ മേടിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പം അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് 1 or 2 years അത് ഡൗണിൽ, അതായത് നമ്മൾ ബൈയിങ് ലെവലിൽ തന്നെ ഇരിക്കുന്നതാണ് ഏറ്റവും ബെസ്റ്റ്. I just wanted the IDFC First Bank to keep below 100 for the next 2 years or something, or maybe 1 or 2 years. After that, it's going to give 100% hike from there. That is how multi-bagger stocks. This is just a multi-bagger stock. So the important thing is we want to identify these multi-bagger stocks as early as possible. So these two is the multi-bagger stocks, Union Bank and the IDFC First Bank. And in particular, if you want to choose one of them, then I recommend you to choose the IDFC First Bank. So today we are coming with the new two stock suggestions. Okay. So the first stock today I'm suggesting for the long term is the Tata Power. Tata Power is from the power sector area, power generation and distribution area. How do you think about this sector? This is such a beautiful sector, I can say. This power sector is a beautiful sector for a developing country. കാരണം പവർ ജനറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? സോ ഗവൺമെൻറ് ആണെങ്കിലും എല്ലാവരും ഈ സ്റ്റോക്കിനെ മാക്സിമം സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യും. സോ ഈ കമ്പനീനെ പറ്റി നമ്മൾ കൂടുതൽ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ആയിട്ട് ഞാനിപ്പോൾ അനാലിസിസ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ആക്ച്വലി ഐ എം ഓൾറെഡി അനലൈസ് ദിസ് കമ്പനി ആൻഡ് I am 100% confident about the growth of this company. And you can also go through the things charted തന്നെയാണ്. സോ തന്നെ അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് we are a little bit more confident that group is a very strong group. അവർക്ക് അങ്ങനെ പെട്ടെന്നൊന്നും they can't get destroyed by anything, any pure decisions or something. This Tata company cannot get destroyed, and especially this Tata Power, it's not possible. ഇതിനെ അങ്ങനെ പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇത് തകർക്കാനോ ഇത് ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് ഇടിഞ്ഞു പോകാനോ ഒന്നും ചാൻസ് ഇല്ല. നോർമൽ ഇടിവ് വരും. The normal correction in the stock market will be shown, but I am suggesting this for a long term so that the corrections are great actually for a long term investor. I'm repeating, corrections are good for long term investors. It is just that's just a time to buy more stocks. If you're seeing the quarterly research and all the other sheets, you can see everything is increasing consistently. And the last year, they have posted the highest ever sales, and expenses is also highest, but that doesn't matter. It's fine, you know. And operating profits, they are all keeping a very good number. They're consistently keeping it. This is the sales and expenses, and operating profit is actually the maximum, the high, all-time high. Net profit is also all-time high. So it's a very good advantage to enter right now. I think it will continue in the same way, and also the other ratios like ROC, it's all good. Promoter holding is 46%. That's all fine. Other holdings are also, fine. So it's a great company for the long term. I repeat, it's for the long term. It's very nice company. If you want to start an SIP or something, then you can blindly go and start buying Tata Power every month or something. It's absolutely great company. And if we can just see the chart as well for the Tata Power, it is actually consolidating from the last 6 months or something around this 400 to 450 areas. So it's a good range to buy. And if it is coming down to 410 or something in the upcoming days, kind of anything extra there was, it was for 13 or something, then it just showed up after the budget or something. So in this level, it's great to buy. So we can pray to keep this level for at least for one more year, you know, because we want to buy more. So Tata Power is the first stock I'm suggesting today, and we can go see the second. The second stock is Tata Steel. That is also Tata's company. So that also this is from the construction industry, like steel industry. Like we know, the government did the last budget in 2024. The government told us they are focusing more on the urban development. And a lot of infrastructure is currently building in India, right? So what I'm saying is, it's always good to have a steel company in our long-term portfolio. So I think Tata Steel, in that point of view, that's a great company. But just as I told, it's not assured that this stock is going to perform very well in the next 1 year or something. But it has the ability, but it's good for long term. But for the long term, it's sure that it's 100% sure that it's going to give some multi-bagger returns in the coming years. To hold it me something like 2, 3, or 4 years after you will at that time you will see this video. Then this won't be the price of the stock. So we can see the chart as well. Tata Steel. It's currently trading little bit. That is due to some quarterly result was little bit negative. That's why this stock coming down. But still, it's a good stock to buy. See, in the earlier there was a clear cup with handle pattern was formed, and the target had achieved. So, but currently there is no such targets. Sorry. So currently there is no such targets has been there, but we can invest. Okay. So as this kappa hold pattern, so somewhere around it will reach 200 for sure. But I'm not recommending for the short term. For the long term only, I'm recommending Tata Power as well as Tata Steel for the SIP. For the if you are only investing at 10,000 or 20,000 rupees in a month, I don't recommend you to go for swing trading. Especially after last budget, the swing trading for the swing trading, the tax on profit is some 20%. So for the people who have less money in their hand, like they can only invest maximum of 30 or 40,000 in a month. I'm recommending you to have a long-term investment solely. For the short term, if you want to have some swing trading or something, then you have to put at least a 2 lakhs or at least 1 lakh rupees in a one stock. Otherwise there's no point to having swing trading, like putting 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees and getting a 6 or 10%, and that is already 1,000 or 1,500 rupees. So it won't give as much as if we are putting a lot of efforts and we are not getting that much of amount of money. So I don't really recommend you to have go for swing trading if your amount or if your portfolio size is very low. For those kind of people, it's always great to have what long-term investments. So find this kind of stocks and invest your money, invest your small money. It will rise for sure in the long term. I think that's the patience that every investors want, but everybody is so greedy. They want the returns, quick returns, but it's not possible. If your money, if your salary is less, you can only get rich, after 10 or 20 years. It's not possible to, get a lot of money now. So wait for the time. In that time also you need money. You're maybe thinking like I need money now. No, you need money in your 30s and 40s and 50s as well. So keep that in mind and invest it. Anyway, I'm saying one more thing. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so take it as a learning or something and invest it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and press the bell icon if you need more videos. Anyway, I'm just putting these videos just to put. After some years or something, if somebody is coming to my channel, then you will realize, oh, this was good. Bye bye. Next video we can see.